Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will show you how you can generate the surface or elevation raster from our digital elevation model from the point data. In this point data we have the elevation of these points. From these points elevation data we will generate the raster, continuous raster in ArcGIS Pro. So go to the geoprocessing tool. You can click on the analysis tools, and here yes, go to the toolbox, and now spatial analyst. Within the spatial analyst, interpolation, and you can use the IDW as well as the Kriging. For example, let me use the IDW for now. These are two statistical techniques that you can use for the interpolation purpose. What actually these interpolation techniques does work? It's actually, we have, for these points we have the data of the elevation, but for this area we don't have. So it will generate the surface, continuous raster surface for this area as well. So it will consider the neighbor points, okay, these neighbors, and will consider these and will interpolate the elevation of these points within this area. Okay, now go to the IDW input point feature. This is the point, and the Z value field, the field in which the elevation data is stored. This is the elevation. Okay, output raster name IDW DEM, for example. Okay, now the output cell size, I will leave it as by default, or you can select the lower output cell size as well. Okay, and click run. So this is the IDW, and now let me go to the symbology. I will select the stretch, and let me select this color. So here you can see the digital elevation or the continuous raster which have been formed from the point data. Okay, like this. So here let me click on this, and you can see the elevation value. Now let me click here. So this value is 558. Like this you can also generate the uh, continuous surface from the data. This is the elevation data. For example, if you have the uh, concentration, mineral concentration data, you can also use these surfaces, these concentration maps like this, as well as if you have population data, any data within that we have that are available within the integers or numbers, like float, double, whatever. So you can generate this continuous surface from that data, and you can see the patterns within that data. Okay, to see the patterns in the data, like for example, let me click this elevation, and now go to the symbology. Within the symbology you can select like graduated symbol. So those points which have higher values will be selected, will be having the higher radius maximum size, and which have lower value will have the lower size value. Okay, now let me select the they have selected the exterior. I will select the elevation. Okay, and now make it the maximum size to 30, for example. And now let me change the color style for it. I'll make it red, orange. Okay, this color, and blue. Now let me lower down the value to 15, and I 4 to 2. So here you can see the higher, these are the the circle with higher elevation. Okay, so here you can distribute your data like this, and you can also change or label this data set like elevation and click label. Like this you can label it as well. Okay, so here you can also present your data like this. You can also change it into charts, elevation, like this. Let me make the pie chart for it. And also you can use the proportional symbol as well, and unique values. And also you can use the proportional symbol as well. Now make it red like this, and these are the proportional symbols. You can also increase the classes and as well as decrease it. So actually these are 5. Okay, you can also change the unit size.